Okay, so I'm making this video because my Xsense doorbell is not ringing. So as you can see right here, I'm trying to reconnect. First off, you notice that you don't see any light, there's no sound, nothing like that. So the only thing I can think of is the last couple of days been freezing. Maybe there's some moisture got in there, and it somehow disabled the ability to make it work. So now I'm trying to see if it can reconnect. See, it's trying to establish connection, failed to connect. See, my Wi-Fi is turned on too. See, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna attempt a hard reset. So with the screws that it came with, there's a screwdriver. I'm gonna reach down here, and I am going to loosen it. That's the only way to get to the reset button, because you can't just pull it off. This is the anti-theft screws. Okay, the screws are out. Okay. So this is a live wire. I'm trying not to touch it.
Hello.
Hard reset. Okay, so I hear the hello. See if it can connect now. So it's definitely power.
Wireless connection succeeded.
Okay, we're good. See? Simply have to press the reset button. Now I'm gonna put it back on. Okay, put the screws back on. Before I put the screws back on, make sure it's working. See, that works. And that's the sound you hear. We're good. So that's how you reset the doorbell camera and get it working again. So it looks like every time when you replace a router, you're gonna have to re-enter the password and do the hard reset and do all the configuration again. Alright, so there is the old Linksys router. See? There was a size difference, a huge difference. Wow. Okay, so
Wireless connection succeeded.
alright, so very good. Yes, final confirmation. Let's go and test that out. See, we're good to go.